of each container. It means, I am reading this question one more time. Rashmi needs 6 containers which can hold 15 liter 600 milliliter oil. Find the capacity of each container. कितने required? How many containers are required? 6. जो 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर ऑयल को होल्ड कर सकें, कैन होल्ड 15 लीटर एंड 600 मिलीलीटर ऑयल, जिनमें कि 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर ऑयल आ सके. So find the capacity of each container. Here we have to find capacity of each container. It means because we have to find capacity of each container, it means we have to do the division. So how to do this question? So we will do in this way. Total quantity of oil. Total quantity of oil is 15 liter and 600 milliliters. Total quantity of oil 15 liter and 600 milliliter. We can say required number of containers. कितने containers चाहिए? Required number of containers is equal to 6. So here we have to find capacity of each container. It means total quantity of oil is 15 liter 600 milliliter. Required number of container 6, जो इतने ऑयल को होल्ड कर सकें, जिसमें 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर ऑयल आ सके. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ ईच कंटेनर. ईच कंटेनर की कैपेसिटी क्या होगी? इट मीन्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस वन बाय द 6. वी कैन से 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर to be convert into liters. As I told you how to do. 1 liter having 1000 milliliter. So 15 multiply 1000 plus 600. We will get 15,000 plus 600. It means 15,600 milliliter oil. So total quantity of oil is 15,600 milliliter. Required number of containers 6, and we have to find capacity of each container. It means we have to divide 15,600 by the 6. Because there is not enough space, so we are doing on page 15,600 to be divided by the 6. We have to take table of 6 and 15. 6 2s are 12. Now we will subtract 12 from the 15. We will get 3. Now we will drop 6. Take table of 6 in 36. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Drop 0. Take table of 6 in 0. We will get 0. How many times? 0 times. 0 minus 0, 0. Now drop another 0. Take table of 6 in 0, 0. How many times? 0 times. So, but we will get 2600. 2600 milliliters. So, capacity of each container will be 2600 milliliter. As I told you, last 3 digit representing milliliter and next digit will be liter. So, answer is 2 liter and 600 milliliters. So capacity of each container will be 2 liter and 600 milliliter. I am repeating this question one more time. Rashmi needs 6 containers which can hold 15 liter 600 milliliter oil. कितने containers चाहिए? 6. And total quantity of oil 15 liter 600 milliliter. 6 containers चाहिए जिनमें कि 15 liter 600 milliliter oil आ सके. So we have to find the capacity of each container. What will be the capacity of each container? एक container की capacity क्या होगी? It means we have to divide total quantity of oil by the number of container. When we divide, we will get 2600 milliliter. We know that last three digit will be milliliter and next one will be liter. So answer will be 2 liter and 600 milliliter. So capacity of each container will be 2 liter and 600 milliliters. Now we are doing next part of the question. Arun bought 30 liter petrol for his car. He went to see the Taj and used 3/4 of petrol. How much petrol is left in the car? How much petrol bought by the Arun for the car? 30 liter. कितना पेट्रोल लिया गया? 30 liter. And how much petrol used? 3/4 of 30 liter. So here we have to find 3/4 of 30 liter. So how to do this question? Total quantity of petrol. Total quantity of petrol is 30 liters. And here we have to convert liters into milliliter. We know that 1 liter having 1000 milliliter. So 30 liter is equal to 30,000 milliliter. Now we have to, how much petrol is used? Petrol used, how much petrol used? 1/4 किसका? Of 3000 milliliter का. Here we have to find 30,000 का 1/4 find out करना है. How to do? I explained earlier in the previous videos. We have to remove off. Off को remove करना है. We will use multiplication sign. We will multiply here and 1/4 to be multiplied by the 30,000 by the 1. Write in fraction. So now we have to find 1/4 of 30,000. So ऑफ को रिमूव करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन we have to put sign of multiplication and 1/4 to be multiplied by the 30,000. So I am doing here 1/4 multiply 30,000 by the 1. 1 multiply 30,000, 30,000. And this is to divide by the 4. So 30,000 to be divided by the 4. 4, take table of 4 in 30. 4 7 ja 38, 28. Now subtract 28 from the 30, we will get 2. Drop 0. Take table of 4 in 20. 4 5 ja 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Drop 0. Take table of 4 in 0. 0. How many times? 0 time. But we will get 0. Drop 0. Take table of 4 in 0. 0. How many times? 0 time. 0 minus 0, nothing. So answer is 7,500. It means how much petrol used? 7,500 milliliter petrol is used. We know that these are milliliter. How to write in kilometer? How to write in liter? Last three digit will be milliliter and next one will be liter. So answer is 7 liter and 500 milliliter. How much petrol used? मैंने यहाँ पे रफ कैलकुलेशन ऑलरेडी कर ली है. सो आंसर विल बी 7 लीटर एंड 500 milliliter. How much petrol used by the Arun? 7 liter and 500 milliliter. क्या किया? 3/4 to be multiplied by the 30,000. 30,000 कहाँ से आया? We have to convert 30 liter into milliliter by multiplying 1000. And then divide. We have to multiply 1/4 of 30,000 and here we have to divide 30,000 by the 4. We will get 7 liter and 500 milliliter petrol. And this is the answer. Arun used 7 liter and 500 milliliter petrol. Next part of the question, if the cost of 1 liter of cough syrup is rupees 480.40 and 480.40. Find the cost of 250 milliliter, and second part of the question 500 milliliters. So here cost of 1 liter of cough syrup is given and we have to find cost of 250 milliliter. Liters का given है, milliliters का find out करना है. It means these milliliters to convert into liters. So how to do this question? We know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 250 milliliter is equal to 250 divided by the 1000. कॉस्ट अगर लीटर्स में है तो दीज आर टू कन्वर्ट इनटू लीटर्स. अगर कॉस्ट मिलीलीटर में होती है दैट टाइम वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट लीटर्स इनटू मिलीलीटर्स. सो 250 टू वी कन्वर्ट इनटू लीटर्स. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट? कट 10 बाय द 10. टेक टेबल ऑफ 25. अगर आपको 25 का नहीं आता यू कैन कट बाय द 5 ऑल्सो. सो हेयर आई एम कटिंग बाय द 25. 25 1 ज़ा 25 एंड 25 4 ज़ा 100. सो वी विल गेट 1/4 लीटर. हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? वी कन्वर्टेड मिलीलीटर्स इनटू लीटर्स क्योंकि कॉस्ट लीटर्स में गिवन है. सो हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन? कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर ऑफ सिरप रुपीज़ 480.40. देन कॉस्ट ऑफ हाउ मच? 1/4 लीटर. सो 480.40 to be multiplied by the 1/4. As you know, we have to write both number in fraction. So 480.40 to multiply by the 1, we will get 480.40 and 1 multiply 4 is equal to 4. It means 48040 to be divided by the 4. Now we are doing rough work. 480.40. 480.40 to be divided by the 4. Take table of 4 in 4. 4 1s are 4. Drop 8. Take table of 4 in 8. 4 2s are 8. Then 0 minus 0. 0. Drop 0. Take table of 4 in 0. How many time? 0 time. But we will get 0. Now we have to drop 4. लेकिन उससे पहले क्या ऐड करना है? डेसिमल. Now we will drop 4. Take table of 4 in 4. 4 1s are 4. And 0 minus 0. 0. What is to drop? 0. And 0 also to write here. So answer will be 120.20. It means cost of 1/4 liter of cough syrup will be 100 rupees. 120.10. 120 rupees and 10 paise. I am repeating whole question one more time. Cost of 1 liter cough syrup is given and we have to find cost of 250 milliliter. लीटर में गिवन है कॉस्ट तो इन मिलीलीटर्स को लीटर में चेंज करना है बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय द 1000. वी विल गेट 1/4 लीटर. Cost of 1 liter, cost of 1/4 liter. So this is to multiply by the 1/4. Multiply upper number by the upper number and divide by the 4. Answer will be, हमने divide किया, answer will be rupees 120.10. It means 110 rupees, 120 rupees and 10 paise. It will be the cost of how much? 250 milliliter of cough syrup. यहाँ पर भी this question you can do next time. अपने आप करिए. So I am doing this question also. 500 milliliter का find out करना है. लीटर में चेंज करिए. डिवाइडिंग बाय द 1000. कट 20 बाय द 20. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 1/2 लीटर. हमने यहाँ पर 250 को मिलीलीटर में चेंज किया, लीटर में चेंज किया. वी विल गेट 1/4 लीटर. Here we will get 1/2 liter. So 1/2 to be multiplied by the 480.40. क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई अपर नंबर बाय द अपर नंबर. 480.40 to be divided by the 2. Here we have to divide 480.40 by the 2. And we will get answer. 2 2s are 4. Drop 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 0, we will write 0 also. Now we will drop 4, 2 2s are 4, लेकिन उससे पहले डेसिमल ऐड करना है. 2 2s are 4, and then we will drop 0 and this 0 also to write here. So answer is 240 rupees and 20 paise. So cost of 500 milliliter cough syrup will be 240 rupees and 20 paise. आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन वन मोर टाइम. यहाँ पर 250 मिलीलीटर का फाइंड आउट करना है या 500 का करना है. स्पेस नहीं सा, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पर कर रही हूँ मैं. मिलीलीटर को लीटर में चेंज करना है. डिवाइडिंग बाय द 1000 वी विल गेट 1/2 लीटर, एंड दिस इज टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर. 1 लीटर का कॉस्ट कितना है? 480.40, सेम एज द प्रीवियस वन. नाउ वी विल डिवाइड दिस वन बाय द 2, एंड मैंने आपको डिवीज़न करके बताया अभी हाउ टू डू द डिवीज़न. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 मिलीलीटर ऑफ कप सिरप विल बी 240 rupees and 20 paise. In this way we can do these questions.